States of matter. Joe does not like to have sugarcane juice, so he goes to the ice candy shop. Joe buys his favorite mango ice candy and starts having it. While having the ice candy, Joe gets fascinated looking at the giant wheel. He keeps on looking at it. In the meantime, the ice candy starts melting. Joe finds that the ice has converted into colored water. Note that ice is a solid state of matter, and when it melts, it changes into its liquid state, that is water. Water is also matter, and it exists in three states, that is solid, liquid, and gas. In water, ice is the solid state, water is the liquid state, and vapor is the gaseous state. Let us study about these three states of matter in detail. In solids, the molecules are so closely packed that very little space exists between them. Due to this, solids have a fixed shape. For example, wood, iron, plastic, glass, etc. In case of liquids, the molecules are not as closely packed as in solids, and hence there is more space between the molecules, which enables them to move around. Due to this property, liquids can flow and do not have a definite shape, that is, they take the shape of the container in which they are kept. For example, water, oil, petrol, milk, etc. In case of gases, the molecules are far apart from each other and can move freely. Due to this property, gases can flow easily and can occupy all the space available to them. Examples of some gases are water vapor, oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen, etc.